Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In this video, we are going to learn about operators in JavaScript. Operators are really important because they let us perform calculation, make decision, and write clean, powerful code. We will cover arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, and bitwise operators step by step. So why learn operators? Operators are everywhere in JavaScript. They help us add, compare, and even make decision in our program. Without them, writing condition loop would be really hard. They think of operator like shortcut that makes coding much faster. So what is an operator? An operator is basically a symbol that performs an operation on values. Those values are called operands. For example, let x is equal to 10 plus 5. Here plus is the operator and 10 and 5 are the operands. This gives us 15 value. So first we have arithmetic operators. These are the for basic math operation like plus, minus, multiplication, division and more. Let's move to VS Code and see this. If I run this code node, this by this let a is equal to 10, b is equal to 3 variables here, and I just write addition a plus b, a minus b, a multiply b, a divide by b, a modulo b, a exponential b, and increment and decrement. So these are the values I get after the operation. In addition, we get 13, subtract 3, multiplication 3, and same for division, modulus, exponential. And increment and decrement means increase by 1, decrease by 1 every time. Next is the assignment operator. Assignment operator let us assign values to variables. Instead of writing long expression, we can use shortcut like plus equal, minus equal, and so on. So let's move to VS Code and also see this. If you see this, let x is equal to 5. If I write x plus equal to 3, which means x is equal to x plus 3. Let's run this code. So this gives the same output as the normal one. Like x plus equal to 3 gives x is equal to x plus 3. X minus equal to 2 gives x is equal to x minus 2. These are the same as the arithmetic, just we doing the arithmetic while the assignment operation. Let's move to comparison operator. Comparison operators are used in condition they return either true or false. For example, checking if two values are equal or not, or whether one number is greater than another. So these are the just compare the values. So if you see this, 5 is equal to 5 in the one is the number data type, second one is the string data type. This give true because these are only check values. In this we are apply the triple equal. Here we check the data type also. Here 10 is not equal to it, yes. 10 is not equal to 10 as a string or a number, yes, it is true because there is a double equal also here. If you run this, if I change the value to my single equal, this gives the false here. And same for 7 is greater than 5, true. 7 is smaller than 5, yes. Smaller than 5, false. 7 is greater than equal to 7, yes. So these are the comparison operator. Logical operators help us combine condition. For example, checking if someone age is between 18 and 13. We use AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator to reverse the value. So these are the logical operator. Like here, let age is equal to 20. Age is greater than 18, yes. Age is smaller than 30, yes. So this gives true. Here age is greater than 25, no. Age is smaller than 18, no. So this gives the false value. If anyone is the true, this becomes true. If you write this, let me comment this first. See, if I change value to smaller than this, gives false value here. If I change this smaller than equals to greater than value, this become true here. Next is the bitwise operator. Now this is a bit advanced. Bitwise operator, they work at the binary level. Each number is converted into binary and operation are performed on each bit. Like here, if we see, there is two number num1 and num2. Num1 binary value is 0101 and num2 binary value is 0001. If I have to apply the AND operator here, the AND operator gives 1 here, because if both of the value is 1, then it gives 1, either 0. And in the OR operator, if anyone is the 1, this give 1 here. That's why it gives 5 in the decimal value. Next is the OR operator and NOT operator and left shift and right shift also here. So in the right shift, we just move to add the 0 here in the right side of here, and in the left shift we just add the right side here, like here 0 1 0 1. If I run this gives the 1 5 4 minus 6 10 and 2 here. So you don't use bitwise operator every day in normal project, but there are very powerful for low level operation like graphics, compression or encryption also. So to wrap up, operators are special symbols used in calculation and logic, and we learn 5 categories: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, bitwise, and they are essential for conditions, loop and problem solving, and that is for operators in JavaScript. So today, that is for today videos on operators in JavaScript. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to JDCodebase for more beginner to advanced tutorials. See you in the next one.